Hello, it's me again, Desiree Jordan. Now, today it's all about swags. My son said, "Mum, why don't you do a workshop?" And I thought, yeah. On the 14th to the 16th of January, we'll be doing a 3-day event. Please come along. I've only got limited seats. It's 6 people. So please click on the link and come along. We'll be learning how to do swags. You will learn first of all this formula for the swags, then you will learn how to cut it out, and then you will be making it up, and you will leave my workshop with the swags. Please come along. The 14th to the 16th of January. See you there. We'll have fun.